Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to continue our story about OPENXLSX library. So this is the code from our previous episode and what this code actually does. In first line we are importing our library. In second line we are importing data from existing Excel document. Then we are transferring that data to data frame in order to operate easier. In next step, we are making modification in two columns. So in column salary, we are raising every value by 30%. And in column age, we are adding some text to already existing value. Then in third step, we are creating workbook or document. Then we are appending worksheet to our document, and we are writing data to that particular worksheet. And at the end we are saving that out. In this episode I would like to show you two other things. I would like to show you how to set default worksheet and how to add creator property to your document. And for that purpose we are going to need another worksheet aside from this one. So I'm going to create another piece of data, copy of this value that we already have, and I'm going to name it table 1, and this modification for table are going to remain the same. Our line for creating workbook is going to remain the same, and we are going to copy these two lines. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create another worksheet, second part, and to this second worksheet we are going to write this modified table. Let me show you this piece of code. Active sheet for document WB is going to be second one. You could also use string value. So you could use string value or index. With this piece of code, what you are going to achieve, whenever you open your document, this worksheet is going to be presented. So this is going to be default one. And another thing that I would like to show you for today, it's another function called add creator for document WB. And creator is going to be Kind Spirit Technology channel, and I'm going to run this code. You see everything went well, and let us test our result. When we open this document, you see second part is going to be presented. This is now our default worksheet, and in second part we actually have this modified data. In first part we have this original data, and another thing that is important, go in properties, and in here you are going to find creator, Kind Spirit Technology channel. So this is all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!